guys. I know it's been a long time. You already know who it is. It's your boy, your future boss, YOURFUTRBOSS. Alright, today we have this unboxing of the Arsenal, the camera assistant, intelligent ant camera assistant. This thing I've been waiting for a while. This is, if you guys haven't heard about this, this was actually one of the biggest funded items of last year. So this thing is supposed to make my camera do things that me as a novice photographer wouldn't be able to do by myself. So we're just gonna open it up. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. If you guys want to see a review on this, just leave it in the comments. Like this, don't forget subscribe, please. I need it. You know what I mean? I know it's been a while, but I have more content. For you guys that don't know, real quick, before I get into unboxing this, I just moved. So I actually just got a house. I live in Texas now, so I'm in a brand new house. We're working on decorating it. A lot of things have changed, so let's get into this unboxing. All right, so my handy dandy still got that. Real quick, let's see here. Did I open it enough? Yes. All right, so the Arsenal camera assistant comes in this nice box. Obviously, the company logo on it. With that, we see what's in here. All right, so there's like a little hard top on it. Comes off. Let's see if we can focus that. Uh-oh, focus is taking a minute. There we go. Thanks for choosing Arsenal, and then visit the website to get started. Cool. Thanks, Arsenal. Look, thank you card, and whoa, there it is. The Arsenal itself. So the Arsenal is this little thing, and literally it hooks onto the camera where your flash can go. So you just hook it up there. And this thing has a power button here. It's made out of a plastic, or like a hard plastic. So I guess hopefully if you drop it or something, it won't mess up. It has this little plastic on top of it. I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, let's see what else is in the box first. Put that to the side real quick. So in the box, we have, let me see, let me take this out here. All right, couple things. So we have the adapter. So when you get the Arsenal, you have to let them know what kind of camera you actually use, because the camera's specific and they need to know exactly which camera so the hookup can work. So this is the hookup for my specific camera, which is the Canon T6i. Then we have a wall adapter. So we have a power brick here. See if I get that out. All right, so power brick, as you guys can see, USB connection to it. Looks kind of like a Samsung one, right? Very familiar. And then last but not least in here, we have the actual power cable. So I guess you have to charge it. I didn't even think about that. I thought the connection, the charge would come through the connection, but I guess you have to charge it first. So I'm gonna have to read more into this thing. I cannot wait to get out there and use this thing and start playing with it, start taking some pictures. And yeah, that's pretty much it that comes into the box. If you guys have any questions on it, please feel free to leave me a comment, let me know. All right guys, until next time, you already know who it was, your future boss. Peace.